Good day everyone, I am Dexlo A. Humawid, a grade 10 diligent student. So for today, let's take a quick dive into how the nervous system works and why it's so important. It's like the body communication network, controlling everything from movement to thinking. So first, let's discover central nervous system or CNS. Central nervous system is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. Control center of your body. The brain processes information and controls everything like thoughts, emotions, and movement. The spinal cord sends signals between the brain and the rest of the body and controls reflexes like pulling your hand away from something hot. Next is the peripheral nervous system or the PNS. So the peripheral nervous system includes all the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. It connects the CNS to the body, sending and receiving messages. It has two parts, the somatic system and the autonomic system. So the somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements like moving your arm or leg, and handles sensory informations like feeling something hot or cold. While the autonomic nervous system, there's the automatic nervous system which takes care of the things we don't think about like heart rate and digestion. It's split into two parts, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. So the sympathetic system, it kicks in during stress or emergencies. Think fight or flight. It increases heart rate and gets you ready for action. Next is the parasympathetic system. Parasympathetic system helps you relax after stress, slowing heart rate, helping digestion, and conserving energy. Next off, we have neurons. So neurons are the cells that sends messages all over your body. And there are three types of neurons. The first is the sensory neurons. Sensory neurons, they carry information from your senses to your brain. Next is the motor neurons. They send signals from the brain to muscle, telling them to move. And lastly, the interneurons. There are the brain, spinal cord connecting sensory and motor neurons and helping process information. So the nervous system helps you think, move, and feel and react to your environment. It's a fast, efficient network that helps everything running smoothly. Thank you for watching.